Mastering speed reading. Unveiling the 3 essential techniques. Hey there, speed reading enthusiasts. Are you ready to revolutionize the way you read? Say goodbye to those long, dragging hours with books and hello to rapid reading. We're thrilled to share with you 3 incredible techniques that will transform you into a speed reading master. Let's jump right into it. Technique 1. Chunking. This is your first step to lightning-fast reading. Chunking isn't just a cool term, it's a game changer. It means reading several words at once instead of one by one. How? Use your peripheral vision. It's like widening your camera lens to capture a bigger scene. By doing this, your brain grabs chunks of text in a single look. Imagine cutting your reading time in half or more. Technique 2. Eliminating subvocalization. Ever notice that little voice in your head reading along with you? That's subvocalization, and it's slowing you down. But fear not. You can train your brain to stop this habit. Use a pacer, like your finger or a pen, to guide your eyes. It's like having a reading race car, and your finger is the steering wheel. With some practice, you'll start breezing through pages without whispering a word in your mind. The result? A turbo boost in your reading speed. Technique 3. Skimming and scanning. Last but not least, let's talk about skimming and scanning. Skimming is like scouting from a helicopter, getting a bird's eye view of the text. You're not looking for details, just the main ideas. Scanning, on the other hand, is more like a targeted mission. You dive into the text searching for specific information, names, dates, key concepts. It's about being smart and selective with what you read. By mastering these 3 techniques, you're not just reading, you're supercharging your reading ability. It's like unlocking a secret level in a video game where everything moves faster. Remember, it takes practice and patience, but the rewards, they're huge. You'll process information quicker, remember more, and save a ton of time. So, there you have it, studying machines. The 3 essential techniques to make you a speed reading champ. We hope you're as excited as we are. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome tips like these. Now, grab a book and start practicing. Your speed reading journey begins now. Happy reading and learning. Until next time.